Welcome back to Teachable Class, and this is discussion booklet number 4, the 12 types of heuristic problem sums concept. And we're under the pattern concept, and this is type number 1, which is number or shape pattern. Okay. And now since we are looking at the question number 2 in page number 4, so let's look at the question here together. Now here says that the first 7 numbers of a number pattern are given below. So you can see that there's 999, 991, 988, 980, 977, 969, 966. So if you look at it carefully, seems like it is not really that nice, okay? But if you actually take some time to recognize, you will notice that the pattern looks like this: 999, 988, 977, 966. This is actually decreasing, actually 11. Can you see that? 11 minus 11, 11. However, in another hand, you also should recognize that 991, 980, 969 is actually also decreasing by 11. Okay? Can you get a concept? Okay? Now, this question is slightly different from what we are doing in the notes or in the question number 1. But you need to know that if this situation happens, what I will do is actually first I will recognize that we are looking on the 56 number, and we know that yellow color are actually the odd numbers, green color is actually the even number, and I know that 56 is actually an even number. This is an even number, right? So what I will do is I'll just write down an even number first, 991, then become 980, then become 969. Okay, and then I know that this is actually supposed to be the second number in the list. It's supposed to be at the 4th number in the list. It should be at the 6th number in the list. Okay, and now we are looking at the 56 number, and this is what I don't know. It's correct. Okay, now the next thing I will do is I will try to list this as the first, second, third, and I know that this is decreased by 11. Decreased by 11, then it continues to decrease until 56. Now, to look for this, look at here. If I name this as the first number, name this second number, this is the third number, then how about here? Here will be the what number here? Think. If you notice, this is actually supposed to be the 28 number, right? Why? Because we divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, right? And you notice here, to look for this number, I'm decreasing by 11. So I know I will start with 991, then I will decrease by 11. But how many times of 11 should I decrease? Look at here. If it is a second number, I will decrease it for 1 time. If this is a third number, I will decrease it by 2 times. And automatically I know if it is 28, I will decrease by 27 times because we didn't count the first one. Okay? So if you put on your calculator, or I think this question cannot use calculator, then you just manually calculate 991 minus 11 times 27. You should get 297. And 991 minus 297, it will be actually 694. And that will be your final answer. Okay, so basically what we are doing here is, from the pattern here, we try to extract it. We need to extract only the even number. Why we are doing that? Because we are only looking for the even number, which you know that odd number have a pattern, even number have a pattern. And from the even number pattern, we come up with the answer. And this is basically what we are doing. Okay, so I hope you learned something, and feel free to watch it again if you don't understand. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you learned something, and see you. Bye bye.